What's going on, internet? My name is Matt Gisantana, and I am back with a very exciting video. I've been waiting on this since forever. Ever since Apple canceled the AirPower, I've been very disappointed in a wireless charging solution for all my devices. I use wireless charging everywhere. I have it on my dresser, I have it on my work desk, I have it on my creator desk, and honestly, it's all over my house. I rarely charge my phone up with a cable unless I need to fast charge. This is where the Nomad Base Station Pro comes in. This is a full surface wireless charger. And when I say it is pretty revolutionary, I mean, it's something that I think everybody has been waiting on for some time now. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this unboxed, and I will tell you guys more about the product. So let's do it. I haven't done an unboxing like this in a long time where I get it and I just shoot a video. So hope you guys like this style. Let me know in the comments. Dear Nomad, welcome to the world of free position wireless charging. We're excited to finally share the Base Station Pro with you. Before you dive in, here are a few tips to ensure you get the best charging experience. The Base Station Pro requires a 30-watt AC adapter to function. We've included a 30-watt adapter for you, but you can use any 30-watt USB-C power delivery charger as an alternative. That is amazing. This will not cause any harm to your Base Station Pro. There's a slim bezel around the perimeter of the leather charging surface that is not part of the charging area. To ensure your device is charged, do not place them directly over the edge. Download the free power updater at nomadgoods.com/freepower and easily update your Base Station Pro. Free power software releases provide charging improvements, bug fixes, and additional device compatibility. You can also find your product manual and additional FAQs by scanning the QR code on the bottom of your Base Station Pro. Cheers, the Nomad team. Thank you guys. Now, that's very good to know that you can use a power delivery. Also, that there is a application out there that allows you to get software updates. I imagine that might be, for maybe new devices that, come out, maybe if they ever come out with like a wireless charging iPad or something, I don't know. I'm just making stuff up, but also you get some stickers. I actually have these stickers already, but this one is new. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. I know you guys didn't come here for stickers, but I'm gonna show it to you anyway. That's a cool sticker. Shout out to whoever did the artwork and designed that one. I like that. All right, without further ado, let's get into the main attraction, the Base Station Pro. Now, first things first, this thing is $229, aka $230. When you look at how much you're able to charge on here, it replaces several other chargers, so you're getting some value there. However, let's see if it really lives up to the value. I have the other Base Station, the one with the USB-C and the USB-A port in the back, and it charges two devices. It has two coils, and that one has held up very well. I use it every single day. If you guys want to check out a video on that one, I will link it above and below, but definitely let's go ahead and get into this. Let's see if there's anything around the box before we do that. So on the back, it says free power, proprietary 18 coil matrix, free position charger, rapid device detection, dynamic multi-coil sweet spots, versatile charging, wirelessly charge 3 devices, 30-watt power delivery adapter, international adapters, premium design, so a leather charging surface, aluminum alloy body, and you get a 2-meter braided USB-C cable. I do not own any of Nomad's USB-C cables yet. I've been meaning to get some, but yeah, let's get into it. Whoa. Well, this is wow. Okay, first impressions, this is huge. Also, it smells delicious. And it's heavy. It feels substantial. This is manufactured very well. At the top right, you got minimal branding there. You got your Nomad branding, which looks amazing. But it's a pretty clean looking device. This isn't black. It's almost like a gunmetal space gray color. I imagine at some point in time they could come out with a wood one like they did with the other one, but who knows? Maybe this is done for purposes of, heat dissipation. But okay, so that is the main unit. And also in the box, you're gonna get the power adapter. So here is the 30-watt power adapter. It is USB-C. And get a good look at that. It is glossy black, which I don't like, but oh well. I'm not going to be looking at it. It will stay plugged into the surge protector under my dresser. And next you have a Nomad USB-C cable, which looks amazing as well, and it is braided, so you're getting that great quality Nomad cable, USB-C to USB-C. And I'm assuming this right here are the travel adapters, and I'm right. So yeah, here are your travel adapters. This is very nice that they included this little carrying case. I like that because now you don't have to lose them. I actually have all of mine sitting in the other box for my other base station. So it's nice that they included this. Nice touch, guys, nice touch. All right, so let's go ahead and try it with a couple phones here and we'll see. So I'm gonna try it with an iPhone SE. There we go. I didn't have it plugged all the way in. There's a nice satisfying click when you plug in the cable in the back. And so when you plug it in, you're gonna get a LED indicator showing you which coil is being activated. You have 3 LED indicators across the front, and that's where you'll see if you're charging everything. So I'm going to put my Fold 2. That's charging. And my AirPods. Wow. I mean, that's really it. Like, this is all I'm going to use it for. This is going to sit on my dresser, and I'm just going to throw my phones on here at any position. Now, I'm going to be honest with you guys. My wife is going to love this for the simple fact of she doesn't have to worry about finding the coil. I cannot tell you how many times she has placed her phone down on a wireless charger and it's not charging. This solves the problem. This is one of the reasons why I was excited about AirPower for her, because she has an Apple Watch and she has the AirPods and she has an iPhone. So I just imagine her being able to just throw all 3 of those things down on a pad and it just charge, and then in the morning she picks them up. With this, she can do that. I don't know how well it's going to work with an Apple Watch, only because Nomad is going to provide a adapter that is going to attach to the back of it so that you can charge your Apple Watch. So I'm not sure how that works. I have no idea, but I do know that I did get an email after I purchased this offering to send me one for free. And if you guys purchase one today, I believe there's an option at checkout to request the Apple Watch charger. So definitely check that out. And if you have an Apple Watch, definitely, check the box on there. But I'm excited to get that for my wife because now she can charge her Apple Watch. She can charge her iPhone. I can charge my Fold and my AirPods. My daughter can charge. This is my daughter's iPhone SE. So now she can charge that. And I think it's just a great charging station for maybe even put it in a common place for guests. If they have a phone that does wireless charging, they can put their phone down and now they have, a quick way to charge versus having to find a coil and worry about other things. This is an OtterBox symmetry case. So this is a good example of it working through some type of rugged case. And then I have the very thin leather case from Samsung right here that is obviously showing you that it can charge very well. And then I have the Nomad active leather case, rugged leather case on the AirPods that literally just throw it on there and it starts charging. That's crazy, man. Man, look at this, any position. You put it up there, starts charging. Let me see if I can do different arrangements here. Yeah, you really got to have it on the edge. As soon as the device stops moving, something inside intelligently knows where it's at and then it starts charging. Shout out to Nomad. I know you guys are probably thinking this is a sponsored video. It is not. I just really love their products. So check the description, guys. There will be links down there below to purchase this if you guys are interested. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. Otherwise, I will catch you in the next video. Stay up.